The importance of national DIY comes from just simply lack of public space for skateboarding, roller skating, bicycling on, created elements, not just down the sidewalk. It's not really, in the city of Milwaukee, there's no public skate park. Kids to go outside of their norm and search out spaces to ride their skateboards on different embankments or just different materials, create their own spaces. The kids that kind of stick to it tend to be the kids that don't want to be on a sports team, or maybe they don't fit in with a lot of other spaces. But in skateboarding, they find a home and a challenge for themselves personally.
It's such a love for me. It's like my real connection is everything I get out. Skating is the way that I can feel comfortable and feel more me. I have people that actually listen to me and be there for me. It's the best thing ever.
And so what I think National DIY does is takes a neglected space, an empty space in the urban setting, and turn it into something completely different and maximizes its potential. We've been doing this for 5 years, and it started with this wall, with just a couple bags of concrete against this wall. And each new member that kind of comes through and helps with a build might say, hey, why don't we tweak this? Why don't we try that? So it's always constantly moving. It grows organically, and the community gets to see it grow and gets excited with each new pour and with each new element that comes. So it's funny, it draws a lot of people in. And I mean, that really is the key element, is how it really brings people in to experience it.